Who doesn't want a green environment where you can take a deep, clean breath? But my dear friend, for a clean and green environment, you must take some major steps. What if the latest technologies like AI drone apps can help you manage a greener future? Sounds interesting, right? Imagine a world where forests are monitored, protected, and preserved with cutting-edge AI-powered drones. Well, welcome to the future of forest management. Traditional forest management is challenging. Deforestation, wildfires, and illegal logging threaten our environment. But AI-driven drone technology is changing the game. These smart drones use AI to monitor tree health, detect early signs of disease, and track wildlife movements. This ensures better conservation strategies and promotes biodiversity. Safety is a top priority. AI drones detect wildfire risks, illegal activities, and environmental changes in real time, allowing authorities to act fast and prevent disasters. Not just protection, these drones also aid in reforestation. AI-powered systems identify ideal spots for planting and even distribute seeds, making large-scale afforestation possible. With an AI drone app, managing forests becomes smarter, safer, and more sustainable. Are we ready to embrace this future? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more tech innovations that are shaping a greener tomorrow.